Hi there, this is Luis and welcome to the C++ series. In this opportunity, let's talk about a little bit about functions, okay? They are block of code we write to perform a specific task in our program. Now, to avoid writing the same code multiple times, it's a very useful tool in C++. They like, let's say recipes for us to make cookies, for example. Now, in this case, the computer takes some information in and then does something with it, okay, and then gives you an output. Now, let's talk about an example. First of all, let's use the same template, okay? Now, the first thing we need to do is to write the function with some parameters, okay? Remember, we need to specify the type of these two integers. We got two integers here, and then we need to make a sum about them. Now, let's say always we need to return something, okay? Always this. The only function, the specific case that doesn't need to return something because it just returns zero in this case. We understand that is the main function, but always we need to specify that a function is returning something. This is an integer function, okay? Now, this is the declaration of the function, and then in our main function, we need to call it, okay? Now, are you wondering how do you call the function? Well, we need to create, for example, a variable, and we save it into the, okay? Next step is to call it, okay? That function we got here. And then we can simply specify, for example, two numbers, let's say 4 and 5, just like that. And then to see the results, let's call the standard library, cout, in this case, always, and we just simply call the result, just like that. TV, and then find the end of line. We save it and control F5 to see the result. 9. Okay. Now you can change the, for example, the value of the parameters, and then F5, and you got it. Now you can use it as many times as the program requires, no more and no more and no less. Okay, because we can go to the scenario that we are using too much function, and remember the compiles always take a function, and then it takes time to run the program, and it could result in a slow program for you. So don't abuse about functions. With experience, we need to know that the function are just created to prevent code duplication, and for example to do a common task multiple times, and then remember it must return something. Okay, let's continue with this series.